Hello and welcome. Today I'm gonna tell you how to disassemble these parts of the coffee machine Jura Ena9. This is a coffee dispenser with cappuccinator. First of all, let's take out cappuccinator, just clicking two buttons from left and right side. When I just take out this part, this is cappuccinator by itself, but in your case it can stay here, so take it out by simply pulling it down. Then unscrew second part of the cappuccinator, turning it clockwise. This is plastic part. When you want to clean, you must clean it too. After that, we can take out this dispenser. For this, you must back panel take out and maybe a top panel too. So I just did it, and then I unscrew these two screws. In your case, they will be on its places, here and here. Unscrew it, and then you can just pulling dispenser out. Then take this screwdriver and gentle take out this and this parts, and then this black connector you can take out. After that, we must disassemble this main part. How it disassembled? Let's take the same screwdriver and put it in hole in the bottom of World Jena. Gentle take to the top, and this part will go out. Now we can disassemble these coffee spouts by taking out these tubes and unscrew these two screws, disassembled to the end this part, and you will clean it and assemble in the reverse order, and you will clean this big and responsible for the coffee taste part. So thank you for your attention, and goodbye.